Michael Cain, Cain's Wildlife Removal out here in Canton, Georgia. We have the resident here. They have a fish pond with their goldfish. They was their family pets, and they was getting killed and missing, and also the turtles. They have called Cain's Wildlife Removal here. We investigated and found out it was coons. We found a bunch of coon tracks, and actually the customer had pictures of the coon here on the log. We set some dog-proof coon traps because it is a neighborhood. We have caught one last night over here. And it is just a little coon, a yearling, and it actually has both feet in the trap. Lay down here, out of the trap here. Then he's going to go home with us. When you do this, you want to do it in one fell swoop, so the coon does not have time to grab the cage or your finger. So you just want to pick the coon up, right in the cage, close the door, and hopefully get the pole back. That's one coon humanely removed. I'm here at the residence getting the goldfish. Again, my name is Michael Cain, Cain's Wildlife Removal. You can contact us at 770-710-3361. Thanks for watching.